This question is from GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering Paper Set 2, question number 25. With respect to metal working, match Group A with Group B. Group A has P defect in extrusion, Q defect in rolling, R product of skew rolling, and S product of rolling through cluster mill. In Group B we have alligatoring, scab, fishtail, seamless tube, thin sheet with tight tolerance, and semi-finished balls of ball bearing. Let's find out the matches. P is given to be defect in extrusion. Now extrusion process is widely used in the production of tubes and hollow pipes. So we can say the defect has to be related to piping. You must know the names that are given in the defects. So fishtailing here actually is another name for the defect piping. Fishtailing is the formation of a sinkhole in the end of the billet. So we can say P matches with number 3, which is fishtailing. Next one, Q, is given to be defect in rolling. Rolling, as we know, is used in production of sheets. Now during rolling, what happens is layers of metal stock may separate from each other, and this leads to the opening of the slabs, which resembles alligator cracks, or which resembles the patterns on skin of alligator, and therefore they are called alligator cracks. So we see Q matches with alligator, that is given in 1. Next one, R. They have asked what is the product of skew rolling. Now skew rolling is actually a special type of rolling machine designed for grinding steel balls. Those can be made up of carbon steel, alloy steel. So in Group B, there is semi-finished balls of ball bearing given, and that matches best with the skew rolling. So R matches with 6. Now last one is given to be product of rolling through cluster mill. Cluster mill is a 4-high rolling mill which is designed to roll hard materials, and it rolls hard materials into thin sheets which has tight tolerance. So we see S matches with 5, in which thin sheets with tight tolerance is given. Let's go back and mark the option with the given matches 3, 1, 6 and 5. So 3, 1, 6 and 5 is given in option B. Option B is the correct one. To learn more about defects and the other machining processes, you can refer to the NPTEL video Defects in Rolled and Forged Products from the course Principles of Metal Forming Technology. The course is by Professor Pradeep K. Jha. He is from Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering of IIT Roorkee. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.